I tried mining Dogecoin for 7 days. Here's what happened. So, recently I heard that Dogecoin was the hardest cryptocurrency or the stupidest cryptocurrency to actually mine yourself. And since I am 21 years old and I live in my mom's basement where I do not pay the electricity bill, I figured it would be an excellent option for us to do today. So the plan is to mine Dogecoin for 7 days. If you didn't know, 7 days is a whole week. Yes, a whole week. We're going to be mining Dogecoin as much as we can, as often as we can, and then because we don't pay the electricity bill, pretty much every single hour. And how are we going to mine Dogecoin? Well, if you're wondering how you can do it too, all you got to do is hold up your hand like this, and stay with me here. You just have to snap your finger.
Sounds like a get-rich-quick scheme.
Yes, thank you. You will get rich quick. We all will.
And when you want to snap your finger to get your Dogecoin coming in and start mining, just do it like this. There we go. But there's a catch. Since Dogecoin is a really weird coin, I actually could not mine Dogecoin directly. So here's what we're going to do to get our hands on some of the Doge. So I've put a plan in place where basically I've installed an app and it lets me mine Bitcoin. But what we're going to do is we're going to mine Bitcoin for the next week. And then at the end of that week, we're going to use all the money we made from Bitcoin and we're going to invest in the Doge. So this is day one. I'm going to start it. We're going to run it overnight and let's see what happens. But before I go to bed, I want to show you guys my miner. Right now I have my GPU mining away, and as you're going to see here, utilization 9,999%, meaning that it is hard at work getting these Doges, which you see on my screen, in the coin format. So yeah, I'm just going to let it do its thing overnight, and we're going to see it basically make us some fat Dogecoin, and I'm looking forward to waking up tomorrow and rolling in the Doge. Alright guys, we're back. It's the next morning, and as you can see right here, we got 49 cents in cryptocurrency. Right now it's in Bitcoin, but if we converted that to Dogecoin right now, well, Dogecoin is at about 8 cents. That gives us 6 fat Dogecoin, which is pretty hefty in my opinion, although, you know, the electricity bill might not agree. However, next time you see me, we're going to be rolling the Doge tomorrow. Alright, so we're back and it's day 3 now. Today is the 3rd day of mining Dogecoin, or mining Bitcoin rather, and I got some news. Bitcoin actually hit an all-time high just last night, or just this morning. Within the past couple hours, it hit an all-time high of $43,000 plus. Actually, the reason this happened, if you want to know, is because Tesla bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin, which, yes, billion, that is a crazy amount, but that sent Bitcoin through the roof. So now our mining efforts, although they may be smaller on the screen, they actually are worth quite a bit more if I were to sell them right now and buy some Dogecoin. We're not going to do that though. We're going to wait till the end of the 7 days, then convert all of our Bitcoin to Dogecoin. However, let's go look at what I mined since the last time that I talked to you guys. So our current balance, as you can see right here, is 69 cents USD in Bitcoin, and we are going to convert this to Dogecoin later on at the end of the 7-day challenge. However, since our last update, we have gained quite a substantial amount of Bitcoin. I actually went out yesterday to go skating, and I forgot to basically not turn my PC off because that's kind of a habit. So we lost a few hours of the Dogecoin profits. However, it's still looking pretty good. We're about to get a bonus on Honey Miner for 8 Satoshis. Obviously, if I was paying the electricity bill, which I am going to compensate my mother for, I would definitely not do this, very often. However, for the challenge and for the Dogecoin, the investment in this is going straight to Dogecoin. We got to do it. So one last thing I want to say on day 3, because we're just going to skip to the days pretty much. I don't want to bore you guys too much, is that pretty much at the end of this challenge, all this Bitcoin is going to be converted to Dogecoin. And this Dogecoin, I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to hold on to it, for a few years. and who knows where that could go. So although the profits might not seem very juicy right now, you know, Dogecoin could go up, it could not, but we could make a serious long-term investment profit. Also, I want to show you guys, for the past day, I have my CPU and my GPU going hard at it. So if my computer crashes and burns, you know, it was because of the Doge. However, let's move on to day 4. Alright, here we are, day 4. And you know, it's just as good a day as it was day 3, except for the fact that on day 3, which was yesterday, I may have turned off my miner and left it off for about 4 or 5 hours, which would impact our total income of Doge. However, don't worry, day 4 is a good day. We're going to leave it on the whole day, CPU and GPU, except for when I'm rendering a video. But other than that, I'm going to remember to turn it back on this time. And don't worry, day 5 isn't going to be the same old because just keep in mind that as we get closer to day 7, the reveal of how much Doge we made is really what's going to be the big reveal, because you know, we're converting this Bitcoin to Doge. Bitcoin price skyrocketed yesterday. We could be in the hands of a lot of Doge. And with that being said, let's just snap our way to day 5. Oh. Day 5. We're here. Anyways, you know, I was just out mining all night, mining for the Doge, you know, put on my warm clothes. Anyways, if you're wondering, it went successful, and I'm going to show you guys right now how successful that it did go now that we're on day 5. So as you can see right here, we are at 80 cents worth of Bitcoin, which is going to buy us at least like 8 Doge right now at market price, and 1,786 Satoshis, which if you don't know what that is, it's just basically 80 cents in Bitcoin as of right now. So yeah, we've been mining quite a while. The computer's been on for pretty much 2.5 days straight, 3 days straight, hasn't even turned off. So my computer's definitely putting in the work to get that Doge for us. And honestly, that's all I have for day 5. I'm just going to continue mining and see where we're at by day 6. And then soon enough, it'll be the end of the challenge, day 7, and we can go purchase our Dogecoin. That's hot. But you know what else is hot? My Dogecoin mining profit. As you can see, yesterday at the start of day 5, we were at 80 cents, and now we are at 89 cents, which is actually not very good, and I realized why. It's because I didn't have my CPU running along with my GPU to mine the Doge, but that's okay, because for this last stretch, we're going to try to push our computer to its limits. We are going to go all in, and we are going to try to get to $1. And when we get to $1, we'll be able to cash out, get all that Doge, and, you know, celebrate at the end of the video. So make sure you're here for the celebration. What's up, guys? It's day 7, and I got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news is that we hit 2,000 Satoshis, which is also equivalent to 94 cents. But the bad news is my computer, it's not doing so well. We're going to have to give it a tribute here in the video, so stay tuned with me while we pay some respects to my computer and my mom's electricity bill. Alright, so now that you guys got to see that tribute to my computer and my mom's electricity bill, I want to talk about what this means for the challenge. This is actually the 7th day of the challenge, and I believe we're going to cash out now. I know it hasn't been a full 7 days times 24 hours, but here's the thing. I want to get the Doge right now because, you know, Elon Musk tweets once and it skyrockets. So at this point, he hasn't tweeted about Dogecoin in a few days. We're just on a ticking time bomb here before we can't catch the rush of Doge. So what I want to do is end the challenge now and go cash out. So let's turn off our miner. Alright, so here we are on my dashboard for Honey Miner. This is the tool we use to mine our Dogecoin. Not Bitcoin, it is Bitcoin, but it's going to be Dogecoin in just a sec. I'll show you guys how. So pretty much we have right here our Honey Miner. I'm going to go and I'm going to send our earnings to my Bitcoin wallet. My Dogecoin wallet. So it seems as if we cannot withdraw any of our mined Bitcoin. If you're wondering why this is a problem, because in order to buy Dogecoin from the Bitcoin that we mined, we have to withdraw the Bitcoin. So technically, we did not make any profit whatsoever. And I just made that tribute to my computer with all due respect, because basically it did absolutely nothing for the past 7 days. Probably should have looked into this before I started mining Bitcoin for the past 7 days and stressing my computer, but at least you guys watched the video and you now know probably don't want to use Honey Miner. I could leave a referral link in the description, but since none of you guys are going to be able to withdraw unless you run your computers for, a month or two, then I probably wouldn't recommend it. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole video now. And instead of just ending it here, what I'm going to do is we're going to buy some Dogecoin in spirit of the fail. Okay, we're just going to buy it. We're going to spend $1 USD. Actually, we can't do that because the minimum is $15. We're going to put $15 into Dogecoin. So as you guys can see right here, I currently have 513 Dogecoin. This is actually profit from Dogecoin I bought, about 3 weeks back, right before Elon tweeted about Dogecoin, and then I just basically took out my initial investment, and I was left with $30 profit that turned now into $45 worth of Dogecoin. So with that being said, Dogecoin is at a pretty high price right now, but we're gonna buy it anyways. So the minimum price is actually $15 US, which for me is about 20 Canadian buckaroo. However, I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging. We're gonna get some Doge, even if we did have to pay for it and our efforts of mining did absolutely nothing. So let's buy this Doge. Alright guys, big reveal. How many Doge do you think I got with $15 US? Comment down below right now how many Doge you think, and I'm about to reveal to you guys basically how much Doge you can get for mining for a week and then buying it on the market. 205 freaking Doge. And with that being said, that's pretty much the whole video. If you're wondering if I would suggest that you mine Bitcoin with Honey Miner or with your normal PC, then I absolutely would not recommend it. And if you do mine Bitcoin, make sure that you actually can withdraw your Bitcoin that you're mining, and it's not just stuck in the system where they reward you based on their thoughts. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. I know you will be there, and I'll be watching for your name in the comments. If you made it to this point of the video, comment down below, Doge to the moon. And that's all I got for you guys today. With that being said, it's been your friend Jack. Stay blessed. See you guys in the next one. Whoosh.